Hello, Namaskar, and this is Pal for you on Cards of Destiny. It's so lovely to see you again, all you viewers, and it's amazing to be closing the year of 2011 and coming to the new year 2012. In fact, we all are waiting for 2012 because 2011 is over now. So, I wish everybody, first and foremost, a very great new year and a very happiness and too much of liveliness in your career and in your future and your personal life as well. So today we are going to start with Cards of Destiny again, the same show what we have it every Friday, which talks about the cards, which talks about your future, your present and your past. ये जो कार्ड्स है जो आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे, ये कार्ड्स वो है जहाँ पे आपको कुछ कोई भी सवाल जैसे आपका डेट ऑफ बर्थ या आपका टाइम ऑफ बर्थ या तो प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, सिर्फ आपका एक सवाल चाहिए जिसके जिसके सवालों से हम आपका जवाब भी निकालेंगे, आपका जो फ्यूचर है वो देखेंगे, आपका जो पास्ट है वो जो हमें पता चलेगा थोड़ा बहुत वो हम लोग देखेंगे. द आइडिया इज़ बेसिकली टू सी व्हाट वी कैन वेयर वी कैन हेल्प यू द मोस्ट. जैसे कि कार्ड्स है, हम लोग 11 कार्ड्स की शुरुआत करते हैं जहाँ पे हम आपको अपना फ्यूचर बताते हैं. We try to see the maximum benefits what we get from the cards of destiny. That's the cards which you see on the screen. However, I would say one thing is that when you're calling me, the number is there written on the screen. I would just appreciate that be focused on questions so that whatever question you tell us, we get the best reply and the result out of it. काफ़ी टाइम ऐसे होते हैं कि लोग बोलते कुछ कोई क्वेश्चन है और उनके दिमाग में कोई और क्वेश्चन आता है एंड दे आर नॉट एबल टू रिलेट बोथ द क्वेश्चंस. So in that case, we always say that get the best out of it and try to maximize your questions in a very specific manner so that we give you the best reply. चलो हर शाम की शुरुआत जैसे हम लोग करते बर्थडे कार्ड्स से, तो हम आज भी बर्थडे कार्ड्स के लिए हम लोग स्पेशल बर्थडे वोटिंग देते हैं कि विश यू अ लवली बर्थडे and especially for 30th December people, since it's closing year, we wish them a very good luck and a very honest and very precious moments of their life, which is in 2012. So we'll have a quick look for the birthday cards and we'll select the card number 30 for them. So let's go ahead. The card number 30 will ask about the future of the birthday people who are born on 30th of December and how is their future going to be in 2012. Yeah. And this is card number 30 and let's go ahead. The first thing what I see in this card is there's something coming up really great and something coming up very nice in next 2 days, that's in the coming year from the 1st Jan itself. So there are possibilities of misunderstandings which you have with your partner or your friends or your family is going to be solved very soon. However, we will see the other cards as well along with this. Yes, here we come. Once is was as I told you that there are chances of the misunderstandings being clear in terms of good opportunity in career to relate to your colleagues, your family, your friends, your partner. However, I also find some type of I would say headache or some type of heaviness in your life, which talks about something which is going in your mind for quite some time, which also says about the negativity which you're facing in last couple of years is supposed to also overcome in this coming year. जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि अगर आपके दिल में कोई ऐसी कोई बात है जो छुपी हुई है या जहाँ पे आप किसी से बात नहीं कर सकते हो या कहीं किसी को बता नहीं सकते हो, तो आई थिंक इट्स अ टाइम ऑफ रिलैक्सेशन कि वो चीज़ को आपको शायद जैसे लग रहा है कि कहीं ना कहीं वो जो चीज़ आपके दिल में छुपी है उसका term it's going to end in the coming year. At the same time, I find it that you'll be having a lot of good luck in your future as well. In terms of you'll be fighting for the cause. Cause could be anything. It could be for your own benefits or could be the benefits for your family. But let me tell you, it's a good sign because it's showing me a lot of happiness in doing that. So अगर तो आप कहीं पे भी ऐसे कोई सिचुएशन में गुजरते हो जहाँ पे आपको रिबेल करना पड़ता है या कहीं ना कहीं आपको सोचना पड़ता है कि मुझे ये चीज़ पाने के लिए मुझे ऐसा ही करना पड़ेगा, so just go ahead because it's giving you a good opportunity in future as well as a good sign of progress as well. So wish you a lovely birthday and a lovely future from me and Sunrise as well. Thank you for the birthday cards, and let's go ahead with the callers. We have callers ready on the screen. And I would just say one thing is before you call up at this moment, the lines are free and I would request people to call up and make sure that you stay in the line. And when it's a break time, please do stay with me because I also speak to people during the break hours. So we'll go with the first call. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Rizwana hai.
Yeah, hi Rizwana. How are you?
Fine.
Tell me, how can I help you?
I'd like to check my future.
All right. So can I have a question on that, please?
Marriage. Anything about marriage?
Oh, okay. That's for your marriage, right?
हाँ.
Okay. तो रिजवाना एक कार्ड नंबर चूज कीजिए प्लीज 1 to 79.
3.
Okay, the card number 3. So you want to know when are you going to get married or how the marriage is going to work for you? What is your question?
When and when if it's going to work?
All right. Okay.
Shall I give another card number?
No, I'll just go ahead with one at this moment.
Okay.
Yeah. Rizwana, are you facing some issues with the marriage? Have you seen some boys earlier as well, and maybe something or the other hurdles are coming in your marriage life?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, I see something good happening. However, I would just say one more thing, that it is not immediately that you're going to look out for a guy, and I don't see you getting married at this circumstance, you know, what you're going through in terms of you're not able to decide, you know, which is the right partner for you, and there's a little gap within you and the person which I see in the cards. But however, if you see the cards over here on the screen, it says that you very soon have somebody in your life, but you won't be getting married. I don't see in 2012. However, I see somebody coming in your life, and maybe in case if that's the scene, then you will get married the year after that.
Right. Okay.
Right. But one more thing, Rizwana, after seeing your cards, I also understand one more thing is that in case if you get a person in your life who is married, then I think you should consider him as well, because in my cards I'm also seeing a portion wherein, you know, it says that you may have a person who is already married, you know, and you may like him. So if that is the scene, I would say that, you know, you can always take a second opinion and then think over it.
Right. So what is that, a good thing or a bad thing?
No, it depends on the you know, the alphabet of the person. Then we can tell you how good the marriage is going to go. But since what I can see at this moment in your cards is that you may have you may get somebody who is you know, who is a divorcee, or probably you may be a second wife of somebody. But in that case, I see an opinion. I mean, I would say that you should seek an opinion of another person when something this sort happens. So do not just say blindly no. It could be the best match for you. Okay, there could be circumstances where that match would be the best match for you. However, it's just one thing that before saying yes or no to the person, you should take a second opinion from any of the astrologers or people who understand the relationships better.
Right, because the person who I've got in my head at the moment here, he's not married or anything, nothing at all.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are you planning to get married to him? I mean, are you looking?
Yeah, that's what I want. Yeah.
Okay, then just do one thing. Yeah. So in that case, you just give me his initial, and I'll see whether how the things are going to work between you and him. That would be a better way. Yes. It's I. Okay. I and R, right? Select one card number, please.
14.
All right, so you're selecting a card number 14. Let's see what is it saying. He seems to be, in a good relation with you. However, let's see the future regarding the marriage, what we've asked for. Is he a person who gives you good advices and opinion as well?
Is he what?
Sorry?
Is he what?
No, I said, does he give you opinion and advices as well?
Yeah.
I mean, in terms of like, do this, don't do this, this is not good for you, or this
Not
would.
not in a bad way. In a
Yeah,
good way.
in a
Yeah.
positive manner. Yes, absolutely, he does, right? I guess he would. You can think about marriage for him as well, because your cards, when you see on the screen, it talks about marriage also. However, I would say that just before getting married, you just show. When you all both think alike with each other, thinking that yes, we want to get married and we want to get settled in life. It's just that you need to perform one puja, one ritual thing. And I would just advise you that before that, do not plan to get married, because he's a good partner. He's pretty good enough. He's connected to a lot of things. He has a lot of good faith in you, and as well as what I see is that you all make a good match as well. So I feel it's a good marriage life that you will spend with him. However, just before you get married, I would say just you have to do one ritual. You have to perform one ritual which is important for you. At the same time, it will give you good benefits in your future as well.
What do you mean by that?
Ritual is in terms of, because what I see is in these cards that you have the Kal Sarpa Yoga, that means something related to your forefathers, which I am sure that you may not understand the concept of it. But what you can do is that once you plan to get this, relationship go ahead, you try to speak to me before that, because it's right now. I'm not sure whether this your partner, Mr. I, is looking forward for marriage at this moment. So I would say once you're finalized that yes, now this is the time we are planning to get married, just give me a call and I'll tell you what to do next.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Is there any other question you would like to know about?
No, that's all. Thank you.
That's all. Thank you so much for calling. Thank you.
Thank you.